Hey, you may have seen our interview with Mission Souls a couple of weeks ago. Well, there's some things in there that we actually had to cut out, and there was kind of some fooling around going on at the end of the video, and thought you guys might like to see it. So enjoy.
Hi.
Well, good evening. Hi.
Hi. Oh my gosh, Mission Souls, they are real. We are real too. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
To start it, if we could get, and it's kind of good the way you guys are lined up, maybe all the kids to give us a big all aboard, and then I want to do a short crazy train clip kind of as we come into it. Can we do that?
Yes.
So let's do it twice. Maybe one of you guys can do a countdown. Real enthusiastic like you guys do.
Okay. One, two, three, go. All aboard!
That's awesome. One more time, just in case. One more if we can.
1, 2, 3, go. All aboard! Wait, sorry. Is this just Wi-Fi?
Yeah, it looks like you're being frozen.
Can we still switch to a different? We want to be connected directly to a Wi-Fi. Because
Yeah.
we just had blackout. How's the weather gonna be when we get to Texas?
Hot.
Hot.
Really hot. Yeah.
Yeah, we live in Western New York. We're only about 17 miles from Canada, so we don't get that. We get snow, is what we get. Oh, they're moving.
They're moving.
Okay.
There we
Oh,
go.
that's even better.
That is a better.
Can you hear us?
Yes,
Can you hear us?
perfectly. One last thing, Stacy, is there a song that when it's on the set list, you think, ugh, I don't like singing that song? You can be honest. I won't tell anybody.
Yes, it is. I think there's only one. At least just one. Why it's Tom Sawyer. Sawyer.
Oh,
We didn't record that yet.
yes, I haven't seen that one. Okay. I
Yeah,
haven't
we
seen
didn't record
We
it yet.
haven't posted it yet.
Why? Sorry. Why? No, only some parts. But I love that song. That song is really fun to play. But like, there are just some parts that it's just hard for me.
We're still practicing.
Not me hard. I mean, like it's just
Challenging.
it's challenging for me.
you
We're
get
still
it.
gonna do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. More power to your channel.
God bless.
Thank you. God bless.
Take care.
Can you X out?
Bye bye.
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 Good night.
Good night. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, good morning to
Yes.
good morning to us. Yes. Who's the most
Yes.
who's the most iyakin?
Iyakin is Pray Baby.
Me and Aces.
Oh,
Wait, really?
okay. Who's the most ngis-ngis?
Nisha.
English?
Who's the most sensitive?
Sensitive.
The three of us.
The girls.
The girl.
Girls are most sensitive. Okay, who's the most malambing?
This one. Too.
The young
Yes.
Oh.
Malambing. Who's the high maintenance? Like
Nathan.
Nathan.
very hard to get up in the morning.
All right, now here what I'm asking about. Well, you'll have to go to Dad's Facebook page to see a clip of Nisha and Stacy when they were little babies. It's just hysterically funny. Stacy, did you ever get your sister Nisha back for the video?
She always does.
When she's in her high chair? Oh.
Yeah. It's back at me now. Yeah.
Always.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you
so
all.
much.
God bless you.
Appreciate it.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.